SMC fittings are an important accessory necessary for quick installation and dismantling of nylon, polyurethane tubes. Withstands pressure is up to 1 Pa. It is used in industry as a component for creating, controlling and maintaining vacuum of various degrees of vacuum. Specifications: type of pneumatic accessories is quick coupling. Connector version is threaded, angled 90 degrees. Threads are 1/4. The type of thread is external. The outer diameter of the wire is 6 mm. Operating pressure is up to 10 bar. Operating temperature is from -5 to +60 degrees Celsius. Case material is brass and polypropylene. Characteristics of pneumatic elements is 360 degrees swivel. Weight is 0.01 kg.